Yo, I passed the wave!
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rar, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bones from across the floor. Noses are nicky like you told baby till they hee hee. Unzip so baggy is cancel, baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes you, sounds and wuzzles your chest. So I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt 'cause I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with his first shit. You don't see it coming.
There we go, finally. Yeah, I'm gonna do something. Yeah, because they're probably watching my screen share. Good level. Barely 4,000. Awesome. GG.
Does my head like shake a little bit when I play GD? Look for my next attempt where I get to like the drop.
Your whole body moves in some sort of abstract emotion whenever you do the wave.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I feel like something happened. Fucking cat, dude. That's all I was thinking about that entire attempt. The abstract movements that my body does when I'm at the wave.